Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make keto grilled fish with avocado salad. This salad is not just low in carb but also packed with good fats, and you can enjoy it as a complete meal which is so very satisfying and filling. So let's start with today's recipe. And here I have taken a tilapia fish fillet, but you can take any other boneless fish fillet of your choice. And now we need to prepare a marination sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then this is American or English mustard sauce. Adding 1 teaspoon of it. This will give a nice flavor to our grilled fish. For seasoning goes 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Then goes the juice of half a lemon, and finally goes some smoked paprika. If you don't have, you can add a pinch of red chili powder for some spiciness. Now give this a good mix. And our flavorful marination sauce is ready. Now very generously we will rub the fish fillet with the prepared marination sauce. Rub the marination sauce on the other side as well. And we will let this rest for at least 15 minutes. In the meantime, we will roughly chop some lettuce. Alright. Then here is our superfood avocado, packed with good fats and therefore healthy for the heart. I sliced them in this way. And now we'll prepare a basic salad dressing. For that, take a bowl and into it goes around a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of mixed herbs. Now give this a mix. And our quick and easy salad dressing is also ready. And now time to grill our marinated fish fillet. For that, heat a grill pan and into it drizzle half teaspoon of olive oil. Brush the oil on all the sides of the grill pan. And when the pan is hot, we will gently place the marinated fish fillet. Keep the flame on medium. And if there is any leftover marination sauce, you can brush them in between. After about 2 minutes, we will gently flip the fish fillet. And we will grill the other side as well for another 2 minutes until they are perfectly done. And friends, by now our fish fillet is perfectly grilled from both the sides. So I will take this off and keep it aside in a plate. And now time to plate the salad. First I will place the chopped lettuce to form the base of our salad. On the side goes the sliced avocados, placed in this way. I'll drizzle now some of the salad dressing on top of the avocado slices as well on the chopped lettuce. And now very gently we need to place the grilled fish fillet on top of the chopped lettuce. I'll squeeze some lemon juice and sprinkle some finely chopped parsley on top of the grilled fish, which will further enhance its flavor. That's it. Our grilled fish with avocado salad is now ready to be enjoyed. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious, healthy and keto-friendly salad recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.